Welcome to CloudC Yoga. I'm Cloud. Today, let's practice Savasana for deep relaxation. Savasana is often called the most important pose in yoga. You can practice after your yoga session or anytime you need to release stress and find your center. Remember, you deserve this moment of peace. Now let's begin the practice. To start, simply lie flat on your back. You can do this on your yoga mat or in your bed. Then let your arms rest comfortably by your sides. Turn your palms facing up to the sky. Relax your hands completely. Allow your fingers curl naturally. Now open your feet slightly wider than your hips. Allow your toes to fall gently outward. Your arms and your legs are now settled in a relaxing position. Next, feel your back fully supported by the ground. Your lower back, middle back, and upper back. Move your awareness upward to your neck. Gently roll your head from side to side. Allow tension to release from your neck. Then slowly bring your head back to center. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. As you close your eyes, turn your gaze inward to your inner self. We are now moving into a body scanning. If you find any tension as we move through the body, simply notice it and let it go. Let's start by bringing your awareness to your toes. Notice how it feels and gently let go of the tension. Imagine there is a wave of relaxation starting from your toes and slowly travel up to your feet. To your calves. Your thighs. Let your hips become heavy and sink into the earth. Your legs and your hips are now relaxed. You are no longer fighting gravity. You are here and simply observe. Slowly, the wave of relaxation travel a little bit upward to your upper body. Starting from your belly. Your abdomen is now softened. And it also goes through your back. Feel your lower back, middle back, and upper back melting into the floor. Your entire torso is supported. You feel safe and grounded. This healing energy now slowly spread to your shoulders. All the burden on your shoulders are slowly melting away. Flowing down to your arms, your forearms, and naturally, the energy travels through your wrist and fingertips. Your arms feel relaxed and supported. Your body is returning to a natural state of balance. Finally, bring this healing energy to your face. Soften your lips. Relax your tongue. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Imagine the mind behind your eyes is slowing down. And becoming quiet. Your whole body is now completely still. Your breath is soft and effortless. You are resting in a state of deep peace. Rest your awareness gently on your breath. We will now enter 5 minutes of silence. There is nowhere to go and nothing to do. Just be here with the quiet. It is time to rest. Slowly, gently, bring your awareness back to the breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Give yourself a gentle smile. Thanking yourself for taking this time to rest. With no rush, let's slowly return. Gently roll onto your side, drawing your knees toward your chest. Pause here for a moment. Now slowly, using your hands, and press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Let's stay here for a moment for a very short meditation. Take a deep breath in and a soft, complete breath out. Slowly breathing in and gently breathing out. Bring your palms together at your heart. Offer yourself a smile of gratitude. Carry this peace with you on your journey. When you are ready, you can open your eyes. For more teaching updates, you can also sign up for our newsletter. The link is right below this video. I hope you enjoy this practice, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.